Do you want to do?
And then you take measure.
Okay. We'll do tape measure.
Count to 105.
You're going to count to 105? Okay, find 105 on there. $105. All right, can you find the number 17?
17? There's a number 17.
Oh, that's right. Can you find the number 26?
26.
Yeah.
26. What's a number 26?
That's right. What about the number 72?
17. That's a number 72.
Was 72 down there? What about the number 51?
Number 51.
There it is. What about the number 113? 113? Can you do that one?
What's the number? What's number?
113. That's good.
It's Minnie.
Mandy came in.
Okay, let's count to 103.
103?
Okay.
Okay.
Counting to the 103.
Okay, you find 103. I have to hold one end, so I can't walk all the way over there and see, but I guarantee you it's correct. I am the holder.
Okay.
Can you find the number, let's see, what about the number 14?
14. Where's that number?
14? Yeah. What about the number 25?
25. Where's that number 25?
Yeah. Number 2?
Number 2? Where's the number 2?
That's right. And what about the number 7?
Number 7? Where's the number 7?
What about the number 36?
Number 36. So number 36.
You're so smart.
20.
What number are you going to look for now? What about the number
8.
Oh, 8? You like that number?
Okay.
What's your name? What's your name?
Okay. Let's go into the number. What's the number day?
8. What about 11? You want to do 11?
What about the number 11? Where's the number 11?
Hey, what is your name? You don't want to tell me your name?
16.
You know your name. You just don't want to tell me. What does Kieran spell?
Kieran.
That's right, your name. What does Finley spell?
Lily.
That's right. What does Elephanty spell? Elephant?
Elephant.
Do you remember how to spell dinosaur?
Dinosaur.
Do you remember how to spell it? Dinosaur.
Spell dinosaur.
Yeah. What is Horse? 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 He knows it. He's just not wanting to talk to me anymore. What about the number 59?
59. That's the number 59.
All right. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
See you later.
Bye-bye.
See you soon.
Taking my shirt. All right, we're counting down.